Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to create a Google Tag Manager account. Alright, so if you want to have Google Tag Manager on your website, first you have to create a Google Tag Manager account. And to be able to create a Google Tag Manager account, you have to have a Google account, which you probably have because you have Gmail or you are using Google Drive. And all you have to do is just open up tagmanager.google.com. And if you haven't created any account yet, you will see an empty screen like this one. First, of course, make sure to sign into your Google account. If you have already created an account, you will see the account list here. But either way, what you have to do then, once you opened up tagmanager.google.com, is to click on create account here. Then we have to set up these new Google Tag Manager accounts. First, we have to add an account name. So this can be your website name or your company name. So add the account name here. Then you have to add your country. This is not really important, just for terms and conditions and privacy policy reasons. You can also share data with Google, but you can just skip this. Then you have to add the container. And basically how this works is that one Google Tag Manager account can have multiple containers. So for instance, if your company has a website and a web app, you would create separate containers for your website, for your iOS app, for your Android app, and so on and so forth. So let's say this is just a web app. So in this case, select web here and add the container name. So this thing is to add your website name. So in this case, this is just going to be a testwebsite.com. Then click on create. Then, as I mentioned, you have to accept the terms. So click on this check mark and click on yes in the top right corner. And now, as you can see, our Google Tag Manager account and container has been created. And now we are not finished yet, because what you have to do is basically install Google Tag Manager on your website or web app. And for this, you have to basically paste this code snippet to the head section of the website. And this is the important part, this code snippet, and you can also paste the code immediately after the opening body tag, but this is not that important because this is for web browsers that do not use JavaScript, and basically there are no browsers that do that, but you can still copy this to after the opening body tag on your website. And once you've done that, basically click on submit here and have a first version of Google Tag Manager. You can add then Google Analytics, Facebook Pixel, and any other tags. But basically this is how you can create a Google Tag Manager account.